Are you a mechanic in an agricultural workshop or a specialized technician in ISOBUS implements? This tool is suitable for you. This morning we have doing some work with this orchard sprayer, but we have detected some problems that we will show you next. In these images we can see how this orchard sprayer was spraying inaccurately, as our Jaltest HIK display warns us about. So let's check what might be going on. We decided to bring our orchard sprayer to the workshop, to check what the problem could be. As you can see, the tractor is not here, since with the functions of the Jaltest HIK hardcase we can diagnose and detect any problem in all ISOBUS implements. Before looking for a solution for our orchard sprayer, we are going to show you the components of our Jaltest HIK hardcase. All components are housed in a robust, dust and shock-resistant hardcase, perfect for working in the workshop or in the field. Jaltest HIK Connect module, which transfers ISOBUS data between all the connected devices and enables wireless communication with the Jaltest ITC display. The Jaltest ITC wireless display, a portable device to check and act on the different components of the agricultural implement with the possibility of wireless connection. A connection to any ISOBUS implement. A diagnostics connector, a connection with the Jaltest diagnostics device. A USB-C connector, a connection to the ITC display for charging and data transfer. An in-cab connector, a connection of ISOBUS auxiliary controllers such as joysticks and other ISOBUS displays. A 30A and a 5A fuse box. An on-off button for the equipment. A relay box. A GPS antenna connector, a connection to the tractor antenna. A battery connector, a connection to the battery power supply. In addition, here we have the cables included in the Jaltest HIK hardcase, which are a USB-C connection cable to Jaltest ITC display, an antenna connector cable and the cable for the power supply. Now that we have presented the components of our Jaltest HIK hardcase, let's turn on the hardcase. We only need two connections, the first one with a battery or a power supply, which can be from a tractor, light vehicle or any other power supply, and the connector with the ISOBUS cable of the implement. Once the Jaltest HIK hardcase has been turned on, we go to our display to check what errors it recognizes in this implement. After activating the implement, we get an error on the right ultrasonic sensor. Thanks to the wireless connection with the Jaltest HIK hardcase, we can work freely without cables. We approach the ultrasonic sensors to see what might be going on. This sensor is working properly, so we are going to look at the other one. This is the sensor that is causing the error and, therefore, we will have to check the electrical connections to see if they are failing, or solve the error by changing it and installing a new one. We are going to replace the old ultrasonic sensor that was not working, and install a new one. Once the ultrasound sensor has been changed, we receive confirmation on our Jaltest ITC display that it is working properly. We carry out one more check of the solenoid valve sections to make sure that everything is in order. We activate and listen to the activation sound, and check that we can deactivate and activate it. Now that we have finished fine-tuning this orchard sprayer, we have to talk about the benefits of Jaltest HIK. Fast and easy, intuitive, wireless work. It allows us to diagnose any type of ISOBUS implement. As you have seen, the Jaltest HIK hardcase is an essential tool for any agricultural workshop for repairs and solutions for any ISOBUS implement on the market.